हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं सेक्टर्स ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी के टॉप एमसीक्यूज़। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज़ के पीडीएफ की लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्ट उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच इज़ नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर? ऑप्शन ए, स्मॉल एंड स्कैटर्ड यूनिट्स विच आर लार्जली आउटसाइड द कंट्रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। Option B, rules and regulations are not followed. Option C, jobs here are high paid and often regular. Option D, no provision for overtime, paid leave, holidays and medical leaves. And the correct answer is jobs here are high paid and often regular. Second question comes here. MG Narega 2005 implements the dash in 625 districts of India. Option A, right to property. Option B, right to education. Option C, right to work. Option D, right to life. And the correct answer is right to work. Third question comes here. Which of the following profession belong to the tertiary sector of economy? Option A, fisherman. Option B, farmer. Option C, factory worker. Option D, teacher. And the correct answer is teacher. Fourth question comes here. In which sector do workers enjoy job security? Option A, agriculture sector. Option B, private sector. Option C, organized sector. Option D, unorganized sector. And the correct answer is organized sector. Fifth question comes here. Which among the following most appropriately describes underemployment? Option A, workers are not paid as per their work. Option B, workers are working less than what they're capable of doing. Option C, workers are not skilled. Option D, workers are not willing to work. And the correct answer is workers are working less than what they're capable of doing. Sixth question comes here. Which of the following activities does not belong to the primary sector? Option A, fishing. Option B, banking. Option C, mining. Option D, forestry. And the correct answer is banking. Seventh question comes here. GDP stands for gross domestic product. What does it show? Pick up the correct statement. Option A, it shows how big is the economy of a country in a given year in terms of its total output. Option B, it shows what the total product of a country in a given year without counting the country's total resources. Option C, it shows the number of people involved in production in a particular year. Option D, it shows the total value of trade transactions of a country in a particular year. And the correct answer is it shows how big is the economy of a country in a given year in terms of its total output. Eighth question comes here. The economy is classified into public and private sectors on the basis of option A, employment condition. Option B, nature of economic activity. Option C, ownership of enterprise. Option D, number of workers employed in the enterprise. And the correct answer is ownership of enterprise. Ninth question comes here. Which of the following sectors is the largest employer in India? Option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, tertiary sector. Option D, IT sector. And the correct answer is primary sector. Tenth question comes here. Employment figures of a country are based on data collected from 5 yearly survey on employment and unemployment. Which organization conducts this survey? Option A, NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. Option B, NREGA 2005, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, ILO, International Labour Organization. D, Census of India. And the correct answer is NREGA 2005, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. 11th question comes here. Percentage share of employment is highest in option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, tertiary sector. Option D, public sector. And the correct answer is primary sector. 12th question comes here. Task of measuring GDP is undertaken by option A, central government. Option B, state government. Option C, provincial government. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is central government. 13th question comes here. Identify the natural product from the list of items given below. Option A, textile. Option B, wheat flour. Option C, cotton. Option D, tomato sauce. And the correct answer is cotton. 14th question comes here. Who carries economic activities? Option A, individual. Option B, firms. Option C, government. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 15th question comes here. Life insurance is an activity of option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, service sector. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is service sector. 16th question comes here. Which of the following example does not fall under unorganized sector? Option A, farmer irrigating his field. Option B, daily wage laborer working for a contractor. Option C, doctor in a hospital treating a patient. ऑप्शन डी हैंडलूम वीवर वर्किंग ऑन अ लूम इन हर हाउस एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज अ डॉक्टर इन अ हॉस्पिटल treating a patient. 17th question comes here. Primary sector is related to option A agriculture, option B dairy forestry, option C fishing and mining, option D all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 18th question comes here. Motive of the public sector enterprises is option A profit making, option B entertainment, option C social welfare and security, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is social welfare and security. 19th question comes here. Identify the correct answer from the alternatives provided. Both Tisco and Reliance Industries are owned by option A government, option B private company, option C cooperative society, option D jointly by private companies and the government. And the correct answer is a cooperative society. 20th question comes here. How do big private companies contribute in the development of a nation? Option A by increasing the demands for their products through advertisement. Option B by increasing their profit. Option C by increasing productivity of the country in the manufacturing of industrial goods. Option D by providing private hospital facilities for the rich. And the correct answer is by increasing productivity of the country in the manufacturing of industrial goods. 22nd question comes here. Narega 2005 has guaranteed dash days of employment in a year in many districts of India. What are the correct number of days? Option A 200, option B 100, option C 30, option D 60. And the correct answer is 100. 23rd question comes here. Which sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India? Option A secondary sector, option B tertiary sector, option C primary sector, option D science and technology sector. And the correct answer is tertiary sector. 24th question comes here. What is meant by GDP? Gross daily product, gross domestic product, great development project, great domestic product. And the correct answer is gross domestic product. 25th question comes here. Agriculture, dairy farming are activities belonging to which of the following sector? Option A primary, option B secondary, option C tertiary, option D scientific technology. And the correct answer is primary. 26th question comes here. Which sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India? Select one from the following alternatives. Option A secondary sector, option B tertiary sector, option C primary sector, option C science and technology sector. And the correct answer is tertiary sector. 27th question comes here. Where will you find the disguised unemployment most? Option A among agriculture workers working for small farmlands, option B among part-time industrial workers, option C in most of the government offices, option D in big private companies. And the correct answer is among agriculture workers for small farmlands. 28th question comes here. Which of the following is not applicable for a worker who works in the organized sector? Option A she gets a regular salary at the end of the month, option B she is not paid for leave, option C she gets medical allowance, option D she got an appointment letter starting the terms and conditions of work when she joined work. And the correct answer is she is not paid for leave. तो गाइज़ यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज़ जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे पीडीएफ की जो लिंक है उससे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। और चैनल पे ना तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, क्योंकि जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज़ कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, गुड बाय।